Hi everyone, so in today's video I am going to be talking about the top 5 data analytics courses in Canada. So the first institute in my list is IIM Skills. Now this is one of the best and topmost institutes to learn data analytics from, and it was founded by Mr. Webb of Kakkad in 2015. Now the average duration of their data analytics course is about 6 months and the fees of the same is approximately rupees 60,000. Now, I believe that their course is extremely affordable and top notch with great quality and great faculty with over 10 plus years of experience in the same industry. And the best part about this institute is that you can get a full refund if you do not like the course. Yes, you can just write them a detailed email on what you don't like about the course and they will give you a full refund. Plus, not only that, they also give you a lifetime access to their resources and materials, which means that if anything changes in the data analytics world, if some new technology comes in or some technology changes, you will still have access to it. Institute in my list is Simply Learn, which was founded by Mr. Krishna Kumar, and the duration of their data analytics course is about 8 months and the fees of the same is about 2 lakh rupees. And now I feel that it's quite a bit expensive, but their quality is also great and they have been in the industry for more than 10 years and offering their courses with great faculty and great quality for more than 10 years. So I definitely think that you should take their demo and try for yourself. If you like their faculty, if you like their course, then I think you should definitely go for it. Now the next institute in my list is Great Learning, which is truly one of the great institutes to learn data analytics from, and it was founded by Mr. Mohan Lakham Raju, and the average duration of their data analytics course is about 6 to 12 months and the fees of the same is about 2 to 3 lakh rupees. And again, it's a little on the expensive side, but it's worth it because this course is very technical and the quality that they provide is also very good, and they just don't focus on theoretical knowledge, but they also focus a lot on practical knowledge, which is extremely important in case of technical courses. And I believe that their faculty is also top notch, and again, you should take the demo of all the institutes that I'm stating and choose for yourself. Now the next institute in my list is Data Trained, which was founded by Mr. Hitesh Chaudhary and Mr. Rakshit Chauhan. Now their data analytics course is also one of the best in the markets, and the average duration of their course is about 8 to 9 months and the fees of the same is about 1,80,000 rupees approximately. Now they provide very good quality course and they also provide a lot of certifications along with this course, and their faculty is top notch, their quality is extremely good, and I think you should definitely go for this institute. Take a demo, again see for yourself and choose the best one. Now the last but not the least institute in my list is LearnBay, which was founded by Mr. Abhishek Gupta and Mr. Krishna Kumar. Now this institute is also one of the oldest institutes to provide their data analyst courses, and they provide a really good course along with the faculty having 10 plus years of experience in the same field, and the average duration of their course is about 6 months along with a fees of 1 lakh rupees approximately. Now their fees might feel and might look quite expensive, but the quality is worth it. The money that you pay will be worth it because they provide extremely good education. And out of all these institutes, I feel that IIM Skills is the most affordable institute, along with not compromising on the quality. So plus you get a lifetime access in their course, plus you get a full refund if you don't like the course. So in my opinion, IIM Skills is the best course, is the best institute for you to do this course from. But take demos of all these institutes and then choose for yourself. And if you have any questions or any queries about any of these institutes and the course, please feel free to comment below and I will personally reply to you. Till then, I will see you in the next video with more such informative content. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you liked the video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.